Hey, it's Jesse, and in this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how you can get started with copywriting this year, even if you're a total beginner. With over 20 years of experience writing for hundreds of companies and training marketing teams at Chanel, Disney, and Sony, I'll show you how you can get started in copywriting, even if you're a beginner with no experience. But first, let me ask you an important question. Has AI already replaced freelance copywriters? You see, the media is full of stories about people losing their jobs to AI. But what you need to realize is that the media loves negative stories because they get more attention than positive stories. Every week, there's a new AI tool or update promising to take over the world, but that simply hasn't happened, has it? I mean, I personally use AI all the time, and I can tell you it's not ready to replace humans yet. AI still gets things wrong, and it needs a human operator to guide it to generate the best possible content. Just look at this warning that Google's own AI tool, Gemini, has at the bottom of its screen. Gemini can make mistakes, so double check. And it's the exact same warning that comes with ChatGPT. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, ChatGPT can make mistakes, check important information. So you might be wondering, are companies still hiring freelance copywriters in 2025? Well, if we go over to linkedin.com/jobs and search for copywriter in the United States, we can see at the very moment of recording this video, there's almost 600 available jobs for freelance copywriters and in-house copywriters advertised on this one website alone. And LinkedIn is just one of countless websites where you can find companies looking to hire freelance writers. So how do you take advantage of this opportunity, you might be wondering? How do you actually start copywriting so you can get paid to write while working part-time from home or anywhere else in the world? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to cover in the rest of this video right now. So let's talk about step number one, which is choosing your niche, and why this is such an important step of the process at establishing your own highly profitable freelance copywriting business. And that's because you want to choose a niche that you're actually passionate about, knowledgeable about, and have previous experience in. Choosing a niche that you're actually interested in writing about makes the whole process so much easier. And that's because you'll actually enjoy the writing process instead of it being a struggle, which will result in happier clients and better copywriting, which is a win-win for you and also for the companies that hire you. So what are some of the most profitable writing niches? They are health, wealth, and relationships. And did you know that some of the most profitable and in-demand writing niches are related to these top three niches? So let's explore some of them. We've got the weight loss niche, bodybuilding, and mental health. That's just three of perhaps 100 different sub-niches within the health niche. We can look at wealth. We've got financial planning, real estate investing, and retirement planning. Each of these would be a huge niche within the umbrella niche of wealth creation. And then we've got relationships. We've got parenting, online dating, marriage counseling, which brings us to step number two, which is all about how you create an impressive portfolio so you can attract the right kind of clients to you. Your copywriting portfolio is actually your best sales tool. It's important to have an online portfolio so that those future clients can check out the quality of your work. Every client I've had over my 20-year career have asked me the same question. Can I see some portfolio examples? Or have you written for my niche before? Do you have industry writing experience? And the good news is that you don't need to create dozens of examples if you're just a beginner getting started. All you need to do is to create 3 industry-specific examples to show clients that you've written for their industry in the past. And once you've created those examples, you can simply upload them to a place like Google Drive, and you can store those examples in folders like emails, landing pages, websites, and that allows your clients to easily access those folders when you share a link to your Google Drive with them. Which brings us to step number 3, establishing your online presence. And that's how you show up online so potential clients can find you, check out your portfolio examples, hopefully get in touch with you, and then hire you to write for their business or brand. And the good news is, when I talk about building an online presence, I don't mean a website. In fact, you don't need to spend months building a website. You just need a place for clients to find you and check out your portfolio examples. And the quickest and easiest way to establish yourself online is with a professional LinkedIn profile. You might have heard that LinkedIn is where professionals go to network online. In fact, it's got hundreds of millions of active monthly users, which makes networking there really a great choice for freelance copywriters. And that's because a LinkedIn profile is 100% free to set up. It's quick to set up. It shouldn't take more than 30 minutes, maybe an hour maximum. And it's easy to create. There's only a few things you need to fill in to get it right. But if you're like most people, your current LinkedIn profile is probably a bit of a ghost town, meaning there's not much going on there. And that's why I recommend updating your profile in a way that positions you as the go-to freelance copywriter in your niche. What you're looking at here is an example of a LinkedIn profile from one of my one-on-one coaching clients. This is Taylor's LinkedIn profile. When we first started working together, it was basically blank. So we worked together to update this with the right elements. We've got a cover image here, which is the header image here with her name and her positioning as a holistic health copywriter. We've got the different services that she offers to business owners. We've got some keywords within her headline under her name, which helps for SEO ranking on LinkedIn and Google. And then there's some more information below. Here's another example of a LinkedIn profile from one of my coaching clients. This is Alexi, and Alexi is specializing in writing for landscaping business. Now, Alexi's profile is really warm and friendly and engaging. We've got his name in the cover image at the top. We've got his positioning as a copywriter for landscaping businesses. We've got a lovely smiling photo of Alexi, which gives us a great first impression. And then again, his name and some keywords in the headline here. So we know exactly what he does, who he helps, and how it benefits them. And this is just a small part of these LinkedIn profiles that you need to fill in to give a great first impression to clients. Step number 4 is about creating writing packages. And this is really about how to charge for your services. There is a right way to do this and a wrong way to do it. And in the wrong way, you end up undercharging for your services. And when that happens, you're not going to make much money. So let's dive into how do you create copywriting packages that you can sell for high prices. And the biggest mistake that new copywriters make is they sell single projects for low prices, when they should really be bundling their services into a package that clients can buy for more money. So you can offer a multi-page website content package or a 10-part email campaign for a much higher fee. And what we're talking about here, instead of selling one homepage that you write for a company or just one email, you want to look at creating bundles of packages where they're getting multiple pages or multiple emails or whatever the type of copy might be. And that way you're going to be able to charge a much higher fee. And here's an example of this from radiantcopywriting.com. And on this website, this copywriter is offering multiple different bundles of services. And in this example, we've got e-commerce accelerator, which is for e-commerce brands who need a lot of copy or content. So we can see the package details here, the price of this service, which is $1,500. We can see the inclusions, which is everything you get when you sign up for this bundle or this package. So it's just one example of how you can bundle your services in and charge a much higher rate than, say, one or maybe two different types of copy. And you can also offer a retainer service where clients pay you a monthly fee for ongoing work. And here's an example of a retainer package that I was offering in my copywriting agency. This package is called Accelerate, and it's $1,000 a month. And for that, my team and I would write 4,000 words every month. They would get a professional writer from my team, a project manager, unlimited revisions as well. So we're bundling 4,000 words into a monthly fee, which clients could use to get us to write whatever they wanted, as long as it was within 4,000 words. So it could be a bunch of emails, it could be updating their website, it could be writing blog posts, and that's how you can offer a retainer package to your clients as well. So retainer packages help you make more money and have recurring income instead of just one-off projects. And that brings me to the most exciting part of this video, which is step number 5, get clients. And the reality is that most beginner copywriters are confused about how to get their first or next paying client. And that's because there's so many videos, blogs, and social media posts recommending so many different strategies. It's no wonder that people are confused. There's things like cold emailing, direct messages, cold calling, networking at events, LinkedIn posting, online job boards, business directories, contacting agencies, and the list goes on and on and on. If you spent any time online researching how to get copywriting clients, you too might be feeling overwhelmed and confused about all of the different possibilities and what's going to be right for you. And so it's no wonder most people have no idea where to begin. And if you don't want to be some manipulative or pushy salesperson, especially if you're an introvert like so many copywriters are, then you want to potentially avoid some of these recommended strategies. So what I recommend you do is that you choose 1 or 2 strategies that you actually feel comfortable doing. And then you consistently implement those strategies every day for at least 30 to 60 days. Now, sales is a numbers game, so you need to be patient and don't give up if you don't get a client immediately. Just follow the plan of being consistent and being patient, and you will eventually get a client. And this brings us to the final step in the process, step 6, which is all about managing client projects. How do you successfully manage a client project from A to Z so that they have a wonderful experience working with you, and then they potentially hire you again or refer other businesses to hire you as well? Getting a client is only half the battle, because if you don't know how to manage the project successfully, your client may feel disappointed and not hire you again or not refer you to other people. And that's because clients want more than just quality copywriting. In fact, they demand more than just words on a page. You also need to be able to meet deadlines, deliver the copy on time, not by delaying it. You need to do proper research, which is research about the business, the target audience, about the products or services you're writing about. And you also need to be easy to work with. And you need to be willing to listen to feedback. If the client doesn't like aspects of the copy you've written, you need to be willing to listen to them and then, if necessary, make revisions or changes. Remember, delivering a professional experience is just as important as providing quality writing. You need to be not just a good writer, you need to be easy to work with as well. And if you'd like me to work with you personally, one-on-one, to help you start your own freelance copywriting business that you can do part-time from home or anywhere else in the world, then you might want to apply for my one-on-one coaching program, which you can do by clicking on the link in the description below this video. And of course, thank you so much for watching this video. I know it's been a while since I posted my last video, but I'm now getting back into YouTube. So I plan on making these videos every single week. So if there's a type of topic you want me to cover, an idea you have for my next video, definitely leave a comment below. Let me know what you'd like me to cover next. Give this video a like, a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.